way?
I don't see him.
Nobody.
At all.
Who can take my place?
Who can be me?
Nobody.
At all.
Who got something to say?
Who gon' say it?
Everybody. Who gon' say?
What's up, YouTube? What's up, Faye fam? I know. But I'm gonna go ahead and lock in for y'all. We drop this one. You know what I'm saying? This my boy Isaiah. He getting a low tape and 360 waves on top. So right now we just gonna go ahead and pick it out. But I ain't gonna lie, it's been a minute since I uploaded. I know y'all. Your boy, it's a little bit off, but I ain't too late. I hope y'all, I ain't gonna lie, seeing y'all got your boy to 160. Hey, we got 5 more. Today, last day of the new year. It's the 31st. Go ahead and lock in with your boy. Now we going in with that one guard of my boy. Go ahead and take the waves down, all to one desired length. And I'll be right back with y'all once we start the fading. And as y'all see now we took the crown with a 1.5 over the top, therefore we can just preserve the crown, because the crown grows at a thinner rate than the rest of the head does. So this area you want to preserve more, so therefore it can be more, more full. And now we're going in with our ball guideline. For a low taper, you can set this in about right where the ear starts. And now we're going in with our lever open. Just take this up about 1 inch and do so with your one guard, and so on and so forth. If you need be, to fade up to the highest length that is desired, which is the 1.5 on top. So we just work out, just fade your way back down, setting your guidelines. Now for the nape lineup, we start on the straightaway, and then you can work your way up to the roundabout. It's based on, your handiness, like based on if you're left-handed or right-handed. Just make sure you do it to a comfortable fashion. Now for the lineup, we start in the middle, but the lineup prep, just, clean the hair off with alcohol and then just spray it down with some holding spray. And then, brush it back down though afterwards to get that hair to lay down. And then, for your lineup, you just start in the middle and then work your way to your sides. And make sure, like, once you complete a full side, come back to the center to make sure it's straight across. Now for the C-cup, you start with the corner of the blade and then, just smoothly go just edge it on down and keep that circular motion along with it. And now we're going in with the enhancements, y'all. Also, if you ain't liked the video, go ahead and like the video and comment down below what you think of the tape and, the lineup and everything so far. Now, we're going to go ahead and, apply the enhancements as needed. And I'm going to raise my boy up and then he'll be done. Now we're going in with our brown magic pencil. I only apply it to the vertical bars and C-cups because that's my own personal signature on the haircut. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't did it in a while, like as of recent, but I'm gonna start back doing it so I can get back in the groove of doing it habitually. And now we're just gonna spray the got to be holding spray on top of his hair and the enhancements and everything, and we're gonna line them up and raise them up one more time, and y'all gonna see that final reveal. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if your client or whoever you're cutting in the chair, or even if you're cutting yourself, make sure you have your head positioned in the right way. And if the person is sitting in the chair, make sure they're also sitting up, because that can be also like detrimental towards their lineup. So make sure they're, sitting up and everything, because that can also help the hairline come out to be straighter. Now we're lining up his beard. I ain't gonna lie, necessarily, I didn't really just fade it this time because I was like, it still has the necessary look to it. So I was like, might as well not even just touch it. So, but we lined it up. He did the chin strap, and we're gonna line up his mustache. And now we're going in with our razor. When you have this, make sure you have it angled at a 45 degree. And make sure you just, and make sure you also pull the skin with your opposite hand. So therefore the blade can just, glide across the skin. So it won't cause no cuts or anything like that. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the before. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the after. Now, if you like this haircut, like the video, comment the haircut. I want you rated 1 through 10. And tell me what you enjoyed the most about the video. Was it the fading, or was it the lineup? Or was it all of it? Let me know down in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go ahead and get the 165, y'all. Appreciate everybody that was watching and everybody that's tuning in. I appreciate it all. Happy New Year, everybody.
Who in my way? I don't see him. Nobody. At all. Who can take my place? Who can be me? Nobody. At all. Who got something to say? Who gon' say it? Everybody. Who gon' say it?